This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 56 of Building Robocop. This issue we're doing a little bit more of the base and a little bit more of Robocop's pelvis. After looking through the magazine, of course. Mitsu's Otomo Ninjas. I probably completely mangled the pronunciation of most of those words. I think I got ninjas right. But yeah, ninja stuff, I don't know. Yeah. Other things to do. Right, pelvis 1 and base 3. We've got our other bit that holds the base together to put in place. We've got the front, I think, of the pelvis to put in place. 3 screws to hold that in place. And then the bit from last time covers over one of those screw holes. And then we get to put that together. And looking at this, it doesn't seem to have the metal support bars in there either. So this must be after they've changed not having those from last time, if you remember. But that's what we're going to end up with after today. Looking at robots underground, more like underwater by the looks of it. There we go. And reusable rockets, yeah, SpaceX and stuff, making it land after it's been used. Very, very cool. Very good stuff indeed. I did like watching that launch. But yeah, there we go. Takes off and comes back again. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this built. Right, here we go. I've got the 1 screw from last time that I didn't use. We're going to need 2 more for that and 2 more for that. So let's get those out now. Then I can put that out the way for now. I'll put those over there for now as well. We've got the 3 that I'm going to be using now. Let's get that one on there. This is the front pelvis, and that's the bit from last time that's going to cover one of these screw holes. We also need, funnily enough, the pelvis that we're going to be attaching this all to. So this basically goes over there, a bit like that. And then 3 screws should hold that all together. Feels like that might be in the wrong place. Not joining up at the top. Let's try that again. To one side. That's more central and joining up there. The top bit's joining up there as well. Just about. There we go. So let's try this in there. I think I might need a longer screwdriver to get in there. Yes, I will. Is this going to fit up here? No, I think I need a longer screwdriver for that as well. So let's try that one. These multi-tip screwdrivers are great, but sometimes they're just not quite long enough. Let's try that one down here again. That's better, that's going in place there. Get that screwed in. Get that tightened up, because then it will hold everything else together while I'm doing the other 2. It's got to be in the right place because it's all joining up around the outside. Let's get that in there. Hold that a little bit more securely as well. Was in. Not tightened up fully yet, but I'll get that in a minute. That one over the other side first as well. A bit like that. All right, let's get these tightened up. That's in there, but it's not quite tight. Get this one done. Anyway, because this is the important one, because I've got the cover to go over this side today. No, I'm going to need to readjust things to get that tightened up. I'll get that tightened up anyway. And then that piece will just clip over the top there, like that. And then I'll need to finish off the base. So let me tidy this up, bring the base in, and we'll finish up. Right, that's that all together. We've got our final post to assemble onto that. Go back to my favourite screwdriver for that. One on there, and the other side tightened up before we get the first one tightened up, so we make sure we get it lined up properly. There we go. So that will actually now reach the floor and give plenty of stability. Obviously they decided we don't need the metal supports inside it, and I can't say I blame them. I don't think we needed them anyway. Be nice if they changed the instructions to rectify that fact, but figure it out. I'm sure someone else can figure it out if I can. So there we go. That's the base pretty much completed, ready for him to stand on when we want to stand him up. So that's it for this issue. I shall see you for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.